Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGCC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Just an absolutely monster move, not only from the price action perspective, but you look over the past couple of days, both Friday and then today, Monday, and well above average volume too. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $2.30. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.30, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this previous breakout area, and that sits right around $1.75. So again, $2.30 and then $1.75, two of the near term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 230 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. As far as where the sellers are currently at it, pretty straightforward right now. That's right up around the $3.15 mark. I realize the price did technically go up above there, on a couple of different occasions, but more so I think the price, I think we can all agree, has the general price congestion area slightly below it right there around that area. So that'll be the key level going forward. But in all honesty, at least in my opinion, resistance levels don't matter. What matters is what this chart has already been doing. And what has it been doing? Well, if you look at where the lows have been put into place, these lows just keep getting higher and higher, and if you want to envision each of those as stair steps. So the point being, as long as these stair steps keep getting built higher and higher over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.